In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make a corner drawer in Sketchup. Okay, first of all, we have to make line in this position, and we can. We have to make a rectangle only. We have to make a rectangle with any size anyway, and then we have to make a guiding line. We can offset it around maybe for 600 millimeter. Then we can set the tape measure tool with the 600 millimeter. Okay, so we can get the corner basic line, and then we can duplicate it again with a tape measure tool. Maybe it's around 700 millimeter more, and this is also 700 millimeter more. Okay, and then we can make a line from this guiding line. We can make a line, and then we can just erase some unnecessary plane and unnecessary object right here, something like this. Okay, we get the corner shape of the basic corner shape of the drawer. Okay, and then we can push it up around 30 millimeter for the shelf. Then just make it group and make component and just create it, and then we can move it to the upper position around 750 millimeter approximately, and then we can make edge of shelf with any thickness, and then we have to push it up this plane until touch the top shelf right here, and then we can make it group. And also we have to move and press Ctrl and then position on it and just rotate it around 90 degree, and then we have to move and position on it. Okay, we have to duplicate it to the left side, to the another side position. For example, this is for left side position around 400 millimeter, and we can duplicate it also with 400 millimeter more on the right side of it. Okay, we can see this. Okay, and after that we can make a guiding line with a protector like this. We can throw it from the corner in point for until this corner anyway. Sorry, we have to repeat it again. We have to drawing it. Sorry. Okay, and after that we can just offset it on the right side and the left side of it with the tape measure tool. We can offset it until it touch this corner, and then we can offset it again until it touch this corner. Okay, so you can see about the same length with between left and right space right here, and then we can make a drawer with the line by following this shape of the corner. Okay, you can see the video, and then you can push it up maybe around 20 millimeter only, and then just make it group and make it component also, just create it. And after that we have to make a line again to make shelf itself, or maybe we have just enter this group, and then we have select this plane with one click, and then we have to offset it inside maybe around 15 millimeter for depth, and then we can offset we can push it up around maybe 150 millimeter for it. Okay, and then we finish, and after that we can just erase some unnecessary object like this, and then we can make it okay, we can move it to the appropriate position. Maybe we can position it and position it and position it. Then we can adjust the lower with the give the more thickness of this lower shelf anyway. So this four drawer are same size. Okay, we can push it up one by one about the vertical shelf over there. Okay, and then we can see it and then we can make another cabinet right here. We can make another cabinet right here, and we can use the rectangle anyway. We can use the rectangle and just position with the same line of the another side of cabinet, and then just push it to the back until it touches the edge of group. Or maybe we can make another shelf again right here on the back side. Okay, maybe we can make it, and then we have to push it to the back around 20 millimeter approximately, and then we have to make it group and just move it to the front just a little bit. Okay, and then we have to make a rectangle again right here, and then just push it until 20 millimeter, and then we have to move it to the front as the same previous method, and then we can push this rectangle push the until on the back side, and then just make it group, and then we can make the same shape of the drawer. Anyway, we can use 15 millimeter for the shelf with and then we can just adjust this distance about the depth about each drawer around 150 millimeter, and then just make it component. Okay, make the drawer to be one component and just move and select control and position to another space over there. Anyway, then we can duplicate the fourth of drawer to the another space right here, and just rotate it until 90 degree and just move it to the appropriate position. Okay, this is a corner drawer. We can just slide it. We can just slide it with move anyway, but we have to use this protector to slide it out. Okay, we can use this guiding line to slide this out one by one anyway, by select this the drawer, which is by select the drawer which one we need, which one we want to slide out, and then we have to select move by select by position on this line, and then we can see the movement of the corner by we can see the movement, we can see about the slide out about the corner drawer over there, and then we can slide out one by one by using a move on guiding line anyway, and then we can see about the corner. Okay, I will. Okay, and then I will adjust the material with synthetic surface, which is a formica laminated light, to make it more representative. Okay, and then I would like to select the lower drawer, and then I have to move and position on the guiding line anyway, and then just move one by one of this drawer anyway, so we would see about the slide out movement of each drawer anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you, which is you need to modeling the corner drawer on SketchUp. Okay, wait for my next video. Thank you.